Imagine if you had invested just $1,000 in Tesla a decade ago. That small sum could have turned into an astonishing $120,000 today, a 61.2% annual return. And if you had the foresight to invest $10,000 or even $100,000, well, you'd be basking in millionaire status. Much of this skyrocketing growth can be credited to Elon Musk's unique approach to marketing. However, as impressive as Tesla's rise has been, it's essential to remember that its valuation is largely speculative, driven by hopes and dreams of what the future might hold. But let's bring it back to today. Perhaps you've got $10,000 sitting in your bank account. What should you do with it? Let's explore 6 simple yet effective steps you can take right now. 1. Build an emergency fund. Life's unpredictability is its only certainty. Before reaching for the stars, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation on the ground. The first step? Creating an emergency fund. This isn't a path to riches, but rather a safety net against life's unexpected twists. Financial wizards often advise setting aside funds equivalent to 3 to 6 months of your expenses. The reason is simple. Life's challenges, be it a job loss, unexpected medical bills, or sudden car repairs, come unannounced. As the age-old saying goes, better safe than sorry. So prioritize building that safety net. Remember, it's not about making money, it's about protecting what you have. Embrace practicality today for a secure tomorrow. 2. Dive into investments. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Investing is your ticket to that dream. With $10,000, you have enough to diversify. Spread your funds across different assets like stocks and bonds. For those curious about real estate but lacking the capital for direct ownership, real estate crowdfunding platforms are a good starting point. If you're stepping into the world of investment for the first time, low-cost index funds are a safe bet. They offer a taste of the market without excessive risks. For a tailored approach, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can guide you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge truly is the key to empowerment. Investing in oneself, whether through courses or insightful books on personal finance and investment, pays dividends in the long run. When you dedicate funds to your education, you're not just spending, you're investing in a brighter financial future. With each concept you grasp, each strategy you learn, you're equipping yourself with tools to make informed decisions. As Benjamin Franklin wisely said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. By understanding the intricacies of finance and investment, you ensure that every dollar you earn works optimally, multiplying your wealth. So, commit to learning. Remember, the most valuable asset you can ever own is a well-informed mind. 4. Explore side ventures. Embarking on an entrepreneurial journey has become more accessible, especially in the digital realm. With $10,000, you can potentially transform an idea into a thriving online business. Digital platforms have streamlined processes, reducing startup costs and enabling young visionaries to enter the market with ease. Unlike traditional investments, where you're often a passive participant, entrepreneurship lets you actively steer your venture. This control not only offers potential financial rewards, but also brings a sense of empowerment. Every decision made, every risk taken, and every success achieved is a testament to your vision and determination. In essence, investing in your own business is not just about profits. It's about pursuing passion and shaping your destiny. 5. Contribute to retirement accounts. Think about the long game. By setting aside a portion of your funds into retirement accounts, like a Roth IRA or 401k, you're planting seeds for a comfortable future. If you haven't reached your annual contribution limit, this is a golden opportunity. Why? because of the incredible force known as compound interest. As your money grows, the interest earned gets reinvested, leading to exponentially more growth over time. Albert Einstein famously dubbed compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, remarking on its power to build wealth. He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." By contributing now, you're ensuring a brighter, financially secure tomorrow. Your future self will undoubtedly be grateful. 6. The real estate realm. Dipping your toes into the real estate market with only $10,000 might appear daunting, but it's all about using leverage smartly. This financial tool can amplify your initial amount, potentially allowing you to acquire properties valued much higher. Real estate, despite its occasional downturns, has historically shown a consistent upward trend in value over extended periods. Plus, when you invest in rental properties, you have the added advantage of tenants. Their rent can substantially offset or even cover your mortgage payments. So, instead of just relying on property appreciation, you're also generating a steady cash flow. Essentially, real estate presents a dual benefit: potential capital growth and immediate income, making that initial $10,000 work harder and smarter for you. In conclusion, having $10,000 is an achievement, but what you do with it can be life-changing. Whether it's securing your future, growing your wealth, or chasing your dreams, the ball is in your court. Remember, money in itself isn't the end goal. It's the doors it opens and the peace of mind it can bring. So, make your move. And if you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom.